The HORIGEN Breast Pump D6 is a genuinely discreet wearable pump, with small collection cups and a clip-on motor that let you move around and keep your hands free while expressing milk. Its 3 pumping styles and 9 intensity levels give you fine control over suction, so you can mimic a baby's natural rhythm and stay comfortable during longer sessions. The soft silicone parts and double seal flange feel gentle on the skin while also doing a good job preventing leaks and backflow, which helps keep milk clean and reduces mess in your bra. I appreciate that the parts come apart easily and tolerate high-temperature sterilizing methods, making day-to-day cleaning straightforward for a tired parent. Noise is impressively low for an electric pump, so you can use it at night or at work without drawing attention or disturbing a sleeping baby nearby. Battery life is strong enough for several full pumping sessions on a single charge, and the compact motor charges quickly from common power sources, which is very practical for travel or office use.